So he said that at that time, technology, and he used the word technology in which he never used. Allah will further Jinn to improve technology that no one can understand it and no one can know how it works and how it can push the world in a different direction. And he said it's going to be so quick because we are in the signs of the last days. There is no time. Allah ordered Jinn to produce that taqa, that energy, to improve the technology on us in a very rapid way. And this is what we are seeing now. He said other things, but like in that day, in that time, Allah shows His miracles